Swamiji, do you think that the Bible about the Adam is Brahma? It has been copied from the Indian philosophy. He's put it there in a different name.
From historical point of view, it is copied. Vedas are created by Brahma long, many millions of years. And Bible is created 2000. So we have to take the original. All religious system of the world, they are taken from Vedas, from different parts. Therefore, they are not complete. The age of Bible is not more than 2000 years. The age of Vedas, you cannot calculate, millions and millions.